Okay, now for fun in our project, we're just going to take you down the basement, which is the secret layer of. This is the most work, and we've done nothing, so we don't need this to open. But it's got these walls. Potential.
Grapes.
Right, and Marge is sure she can just put drapes down here, and it'll work out.
This off and empty this out, and it'll be. Fabulous.
And I'm sure that that's not the right answer. So this is going to be hilarious. This is going to be hilarious. What I'm going to like about this is that we get to watch this unfold.
This is like a 4-hour project for 2 people.
I love the optimism in this.
And then I love these big picture frames. I have to measure the frames because I can reuse them.
Right, and then we have the room of Christmas.
Look at the tools. Look at the tools we got.
Oh, wow. This is great. This is, I'll go back and look at the tools. And this mystery window.
Yes, and one more washing machine. So I have 3 washing machines.
Yeah.
Freezer.
Yeah.
2 water heaters.
Welcome
I don't know what's
to
over here.
the redo of the Wen. I don't.
It's just a folding table.
Maybe let's see under that. Okay. That's nothing exciting.
Another bed.
All right, let's go look at that weird door down there again.
Oh yeah,
the one that goes
the door to outside.
The door to outside.
So it's one of those trapdoor kind of back basement entrances.
Yeah.
But I want to do a garden, like get one of those clear garden sheds to put over.
Okay.
And then have it be open.
This.
Whoops.
Oh, you can't see.
Anyway,
this is like we're underground. It's.
Yeah, it's not gonna.
Wow. Okay.
It's very cold.
Very cold. It's minus 10 outside.
Did you get the Christmas decor room?
I did. Here, just one more look here. Christmas.
Like this could get packaged up correctly, and this room could be useful. Oh my God, there's a mattress there.
Yeah. Christmas room. Here we are.
All the electrical.
And so much electrical.
Tons of electrical.
Lots of electrical here. There's the ceiling.
But it is, it's got the limestone walls. People love limestone.
I love the limestone wall. And here we are.
Look at this filter. People change your filters.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Ugh,
there we go.
Filter to put in.
So this is your basement tour. Oh gosh, what are you doing? Okay. All right. And so here is our lovely basement moment. So this is your before.
Oh, this is the before of the sign.
And a random thing of food here.
Here.
Don't know anything about that.
Sign.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's going to be the Wen.
Yeah, so
Maybe
that's
I'll
what
just do the Wen in that center
Yeah,
part.
we'll find it out. I love it.
Figure it out. Okay.
I love it. There's the old sign. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So keep joining us. I can't wait to see how it progresses, and we'll keep you updated because this is a fun, fun day.